People production.
Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. I have some information for you to know.
Come to Landfoot TV at the right place, so let's don't go nowhere.
Sell me out, where them do it for.
Andrew Alaya don't know see it, sir.
Emancipate yourselves from mental slavery.
None but ourselves shall free our mind. Bear that in mind. Bless everyone, greetings, good morning, all of kings and queens, my lioness. I hope all is blessed, and as usual, I hope this visual finds you all in the best of health. You don't know health over wealth. Take care of it, sin. Now, my viewers and subscribers, my kings and queen, my lion and my lioness. Yeah, man. Right now, I have a video for showing with the great Gargamel Buju Banton lashing out again. He shares his frustration to the whole world, especially to his fellow Jamaicans. The man say, wake up. How long am I telling you to wake up? How long am I telling you to wake up? How long L.A. Lewis are telling you to wake up? Big up the Maroon them on the ground, you know. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, a video you want to know, watch it. Just watch it and hear Buju say. A short script, a minute, but hear him say. Hear Buju say, because a long time I tell you no. You see me? Yeah. Here we go on.
Well, someone saw it and ask if everything alright. I tell the brethren, no, everything not alright and everything can't alright. Who want done this mask wearing bullshit in Jamaica? Who would fit dead I go dead and who not go dead just for just live? With either you intellectual fools trying to tell us how to live our life. You are so smart, but you haven't found the cure. You are both all out in a line and putting the Jamaican people in abject fear and driving us all to poverty. What have you done for all those who you have laid off and make them business close early? Jamaican people need to wake up. I'm done with the fuckery. Jamaican people need to wake up. But now we're no mask. Because man no for mask no make for man. So hear this. And from September and January with the boat, I'm going to fuck with the people them. Free my people. Free my people. Now.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers. I hear Buju Banton shares frustration. Man can't take it anymore. Man say I'm tired of this mask business every day. Every day this mask. And that is them task. You see me? Yeah. For program and brainwash and drive fear. My viewers and subscribers, my kings and queens, at time now for brave up, you know. When it just dropped the pandemic, a lot of people did fear. I admit me did have fear as well. But when I started my research and realize, that's why I come with this song and say, global human reduction, don't trust the government, them and corruption. Forget we have us, them have no option, but to release a You see me? No, yeah, Buju say, all those intellectual fools, so them brains and them have sense and them educated, them are dunce, educated dunce them. You see me? Yes, I tell people about this and that and perhaps not. You see me? Especially all them police and soldiers at Jamaica, we have force people them and I lock them up for wear masks 24 hours. Eh? In the UK, well, I don't know about America, but in the UK, Zine, you wear your mask. Zine, you've been ordered to wear your mask in shops, stores, and on public transport. But once you're out on the ground or out in the open, you can't, you're not have to wear your mask. Zine, and you can also travel on the transport. If you have your exempt card, you have an exempt card, so you can't wear it because breathing problem. You can travel on the bus, them on the train or whatever without wearing a mask. But Jamaica, them want you to wear 24 hours. You see me? Some bullying and dictating and all of them things, the program. You see me? My viewers and subscribers, I hear Buju telling you to wake up. A long time I telling you to wake up from this to start, you know. You see me? Yeah. And more and longer people are realize. Look all over the world, people are realize now. A lot of people coming out and talking. Zine? Yes, my viewers and subscribers, I don't know. Lionfoot big up on yourself and peace and love. And I'm loving you, you know. I'm grateful for the support, and that is why more time I put out all of these information on the channel. You see me? You don't know the Lionfoot channel, it cover everything. Zine? Big up all of the artists them on the ground, the young artists and upcoming, and one of them are going good now, Skilly Bang, you know what I mean, Intense, you know, Javelin, all of the artists them. Big up on yourself. All and new, young and whole, you see me? Fresh. So I'm going to keep the music clean and positive. Yeah, man. People want to go watch the video at Cafe and Buju. Pressure. See? People can't take the pressure now. You know much people jobless. People losing businesses. In a debt. People at universities, the students, them quit and give up. So them now better finish them course. Them now pay back the money. See? All these things is just a pandemic and it affects a lot of people. See? Them want rule and control. But the truth are unfold. You see me? But my fellow Jamaicans want to wake up on the ground. Zine, stick a pin and hear what the lady have to say. Two, uno brother out there, conjure coolness. That's what I call him, you know. Hear what she say.
These are the real people. Ask your question, sir.
Alright, my viewers and subscribers, my kings and queens, my lioness. And hear the question I shall ask. We will vote for you and put your trust in your say deal will be sell we out. Yeah, my viewers and subscribers, my fellow Jamaicans, and wake up. See? And do the right thing. Eat right, drink right, sleep right, do right, and help someone if you can. Don't bring nobody for them things, because you don't know how them get it. Life is worth living. Don't take the life. And don't grudge on bad mind. Work hard for your years, and no matter how long it takes to come, that's one will faith. It's never too late. See? Yeah, man. Done with the next upful, inspirational, uplifting message from Lionfoot. I don't know. Big up on yourself. I'm out.